Hello everyone, my name is Lydia Youngly with GMZ TV. I am the founder owner of this platform. I just wanted to come on here real quick and just literally review this product. DJ Gabe, who is our vice president and CFO, he just came from Liberia like a day ago. Yes, I have to think, a day ago, and he brought back a lot of he brought back a lot of stuff. One of the things that really stood out to me was this business, J Palm. J Palm is based in Liberia. They are a hair and skin company. Like they deal with healthy hair, healthy skin, stuff like that. So we did visit the business. DJ Gabe, who happened to visit the business. He did visit a lot of businesses in Liberia. He visited this store for business purpose, plus all the other stores, including the Tom Palace. Tom Palace is a very beautiful kind of a resort that's based in Cowell. We did post the video up on YouTube over here. The video is trending, by the way, on Facebook and on YouTube. I had a lot of people asking questions about the property, like where is it located, what type of services to provide. So that's the type of questions that they have been asking. We like I said, we did visit these businesses to do business with them, by the way. So it was really amazing that DJ Gabe was able to visit these businesses and have conversations with them and kind of learn about their businesses. I've been experiencing the entire process through his eyes and through pictures and videos that he has sent me. I'm very excited to go there and like make my own connections as well for the platform, our platform. So this product is called the Kernel Fresh Premium. This is the box. This is J Palm. They're based in Painesville, Liberia. All of the product in this box was made in Liberia. All of their products, by the way, is made in Liberia. Let me come closer and show you guys the soap. But before I do that, I just want to give a brief history of Chiza Magazine. Chiza Magazine was founded in 2014 by me. Over the years, we have evolved. I personally, I have learned a lot about being a Liberian blogger, just being a blogger in general. Chiza Magazine is my first baby, okay? Through Chiza Magazine, I have founded a lot of other platforms like Shop Yukon J, Chiza Magazine Fashion Week, the GMZ TV, which is our YouTube. But the GMZ TV, the idea of it was founded by DJ Gabe, by the way. He was the one that said, you know what, let's create a YouTube channel for the platform. And for the name, originally the YouTube was called Chiza Magazine TV on YouTube, but he was like, okay, this will be much easier if we can just find the name very quick and easy. So he said GMZ TV. So it's Chizel Magazine Television Network. So it's GMZ TV. So that's how the GMZ TV was started, and we have done a lot of like live coverage back in Liberia, on Facebook. That we did post some stuff on YouTube, but we got flagged for it, so we took it down. But we have done a lot of stuff with the GMZ TV back in Liberia. We are planning on doing more with that. So the platform was founded in 2014 by me. So far, I've learned so much. I feel like right now I am more aware, I'm more awakened by everything around me, people, things, everything. Like I'm very, very careful of my surroundings. I'm very careful of everything and everyone. It sounds weird, but it's gonna make sense later on. But here is the box of the soap right here. This is the info right here. It's manufactured by the JPL Consumer Inc., proudly made in Liberia, Pennsylvania, Liberia. Their website is right here. Their phone number. It's the J Palm on Facebook and Instagram. And this is the soap. It doesn't have any smell, by the way. It just smells natural. It's like organic product. These are not products to like harm your skin or anything like that. So this is one of the sizes of it. This is how it looks like. I can't wait to try it, you guys. I have not tried it, but DJ Gabe have tried it, and so far this is one of his favorite products so far. And this is the info on it right here. You know, but let me pack it back. But this is how it looks like. I just wanted to show you guys. So as I was saying, I just wanted to show you guys the product. And also, like, it's so amazing to see so many like Liberians went back home last year. So many Liberians are going back home, including myself. You know, most people, Liberia is becoming home for them. For me, I definitely see Liberia as a second home for my family and myself. We're very excited. We're doing a lot of stuff back there that I can really mention right now. So I'm just excited in general to just see everything that's happening back home in Liberia. There are good and bad, but the good is more than the bad. You know, Liberia is safe to travel to. So if you're planning on traveling to Liberia, make sure you go. I am gonna be going too, so I'll bring you guys on a journey with me. I'm very excited. I can't tell you guys when I'm going yet, but I am planning on going very soon to Liberia. And we posted a video about River G River where DJ Gabe went to the river, and the water is very yellow, by the way, because Nigerians, Ghanaians, and few other foreigners are mining gold in the water. So the water our people are supposed to be drinking, cooking with is what some foreigners are mining gold. Like things that other people cannot do in their countries is what they're doing in Liberia. You know, so I feel like going to the county, a DJ Gibb going to the county kind of opened my eyes because I saw a lot of videos. Like sometimes he would like video call me, I would see some stuff. I saw like a little boy changing a car tire. Like that little boy should be in school, you guys, but he was changing our truck tire that we took to the county for the county tour that we did. And it's like I saw a lot of things, and I know if when I go in person, it's gonna be a lot more experience for me. But just seeing it from a distance, like, yeah, it was overwhelming and it was exciting, you know. But I just wanted to come on here and share this with you guys. It's so amazing to see Liberians going back home. Most of us are learning, have learned, are learning a lot of things overseas that we're taking back home. A lot of people building like hotels, townhomes, houses, stores, companies. Like it's just so beautiful, so amazing. You know, so tap into Liberia, you guys. Visit Liberia. Travel to Liberia, experience Liberia for yourself. You know, I can't wait to go and experience for myself. I have not experienced yet, but I'm over here encouraging you guys too because I have experienced through my husband's eyes. So as I was saying, I have experienced through my husband's eyes, and these are the things that he have been telling me about. He always tells me, Lydia, pay attention to Liberia. Like we need to do this, we need to do that. But for the past last year and this year, I feel like I'm more interested, I'm more awake, you know, of aware and awake of everything that's like I need to be aware of for about Liberia. So I'm very excited. I am Lydia Yonli with GMZ TV. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you never ever miss a video from us on this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video.